Do you want to speak English more confidently? Today, I will teach you 75 essential English phrases that you can use in daily conversations. First, I'll say each phrase twice. Then, I'll explain the meaning in simple words. Finally, I'll repeat it again so you can practice with me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Giving opinions and expressing preferences. In my opinion, it's a great idea. In my opinion, it's a great idea. Use this to give your opinion about something. In my opinion, it's a great idea. I would rather stay at home today. I would rather stay at home today. Express your preference for staying at home instead of going out. I would rather stay at home today. I think it's going to rain later. I think it's going to rain later. Use this when you are giving your thoughts on the weather or something you believe is true. I think it's going to rain later. I don't mind either way. I don't mind either way. Use this to show that you have no strong preference. I don't mind either way. To be honest, I don't like that movie. To be honest, I don't like that movie. Use this to express your true feelings or thoughts about something. To be honest, I don't like that movie. Making comparisons and expressing differences. This restaurant is better than the one we went to last time. This restaurant is better than the one we went to last time. Compare two things and explain which one is better. This restaurant is better than the one we went to last time. She is taller than her brother. She is taller than her brother. Use this to compare the height of two people. She is taller than her brother. This book is more interesting than the movie. This book is more interesting than the movie. Use this to compare a book and a movie, saying which one is more interesting. This book is more interesting than the movie. I think this place is quieter than the other one. I think this place is quieter than the other one. Compare two places based on how quiet or noisy they are. I think this place is quieter than the other one. This is the most exciting movie I have seen. This is the most exciting movie I have seen. Use this to express that something is the best or most exciting compared to others. This is the most exciting movie I have seen. Giving and receiving compliments. You look amazing today. You look amazing today. Use this to give a compliment about someone's appearance. You look amazing today. Your presentation was fantastic. Your presentation was fantastic. Compliment someone on a job well done. Your presentation was fantastic. I love your shoes. I love your shoes. Use this phrase to compliment someone on their style or fashion. I love your shoes. That was a great idea. That was a great idea. Use this to compliment someone on their creative suggestion. That was a great idea. You did a great job. You did a great job. Use this phrase to praise someone for their effort or work. You did a great job. Talking about the past. I've been to New York before. I've been to New York before. Use this to talk about a past experience of visiting a place. I've been to New York before. I used to play soccer every weekend. I used to play soccer every weekend. Use this to describe a past habit or activity that you no longer do in the present. I used to play soccer every weekend. When I was younger, I didn't like school. When I was younger, I didn't like school. Share something you felt in the past but no longer feel. When I was younger, I didn't like school. I went to the beach last summer. I went to the beach last summer. Use this to talk about a trip you took in the past. I went to the beach last summer. We visited the museum last weekend. We visited the museum last weekend. Use this phrase to talk about something you did recently. We visited the museum last weekend. Offering and accepting invitations. Would you like to join us for lunch? Would you like to join us for lunch? Offer an invitation to someone to join a meal. Would you like to join us for lunch? Let's grab coffee sometime. Let's grab coffee sometime. Use this to suggest meeting for coffee in the near future. Let's grab coffee sometime. Feel free to bring a friend. Feel free to bring a friend. Tell someone it's okay to bring someone else along. Feel free to bring a friend. I'd love to come to your party. I'd love to come to your party. Use this phrase to accept an invitation to an event. I'd love to come to your party. Thanks for inviting me. Thanks for inviting me. Thank someone for inviting you to something. Thanks for inviting me. Expressing emotions and reactions. That's amazing. I can't believe it. That's amazing. I can't believe it. Used to express surprise and excitement when something great happens. That's amazing. I can't believe it. I'm so relieved to hear that. I'm so relieved to hear that. Used to show that you feel better after worrying about something. I'm so relieved to hear that. I feel really frustrated when that happens. I feel really frustrated when that happens. I use this to express irritation or disappointment about a repeated situation. I feel really frustrated when that happens. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed right now. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed right now. Use it when you have too much to handle and feel stressed. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed right now. That was totally unexpected. That was totally unexpected. Use this when something surprising happens and you didn't see it coming. That was totally unexpected. Apologizing and making excuses. I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. Use this to a strong apology when you have made a mistake. I'm really sorry about that. I didn't mean to upset you. I didn't mean to upset you. Use it when you have unintentionally hurt someone and want to ask for forgiveness. I didn't mean to upset you. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. A more formal way to admit a mistake and express regret. I owe you an apology. I know I should have told you sooner, but I was unsure how. I know I should have told you sooner, but I was unsure how. Use this to admit hesitation or problems in sharing news or information. I know I should have told you sooner, but I was unsure how. I'm afraid I won't be able to make it to our meeting. I'm afraid I won't be able to make it to our meeting. A polite way to cancel a plan or meeting. I'm afraid I won't be able to make it to our meeting. If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support is very helpful. Comment below your favorite English phrase. See you in the next video.